Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Codus Arcade. In this section, we will be learning another logical program in Python, which is finding whether a number is prime or not. Before starting this video, I would like to request you people to please like and share our videos with your friends and family, and also subscribe to our channel Codus Arcade and press the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates and you do not miss out on our future uploads. Thank you. So let's get started. As I said, today's topic is finding whether a given number is prime or not with the help of a Python program. So as you can see here, I am inside my PyCharm IDE, and so let us create a new Python file. I will go to my project panel, and in my workspace, I will create a new Python file, say prime, and press enter. And let me just minimize this project window so that I can show you the entire screen. So first of all, let us write a comment prime number program in Python. So before starting to write the code, let us know what actually a prime number is. So what do you guys know about prime numbers? What are prime numbers actually? Let me write the definition. A number divisible by itself and 1 is a prime number. So this is the proper definition of a prime number. Now the question that will be coming in your mind is that what exactly is a prime number? Because this is only the definition, right? Let me take certain numbers, say 6. So what are the factors of 6 now? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 6. So these four are the factors of 6. Therefore, 6 is divisible by these four numbers. So, according to the definition of prime number, a number which is divisible by itself, that means the number itself, which is 6 and 1. So, in this case, we have four factors of the number 6. So, we can easily understand that 6 is not a prime number. Let us take another example, say 7. In this case, 7 has the factors 1 and then we have 7. We don't have any other factors for the number 7. So we can say that 7 is prime. Now, similarly, we can tell all the other examples of prime numbers. Say 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, and so on. The list goes on. So the definition is the main thing here. A number which is divisible by itself and 1 is actually a prime number. Other than that, all the numbers are called composite numbers. So the numbers which are not prime are called composite numbers. So now that we know what exactly is a prime number, let us start with writing the logic. So I will take a number variable where I will tell the user to provide the input. So I will take the int keyword so that I can convert the input string, which is actually the data taken by the input function, into a integer, because Python compiler implicitly takes the input as a string. So we need to convert that thing into integers. So inside the input function, I will tell enter the number to be checked. And then to give the control to the next line, I will give /n. And so this is it. Now let us understand the logic here. So every number will be divisible by 1. So let us not start with 1. Let us start with 2. And every number will always be divisible by the number itself. So we shall start from 2 and go on till the number minus 1. So the second last number. So if it is n, it will be n minus 1. So I will use a for loop and take a variable I in range 2, comma 2 is the lower limit, upper limit will be number. That's okay, because in the range function the upper limit is not taken into account by the compiler, so it will be always number minus 1. So if the number is say 7 or 8, then in the range function only till 6 will be considered if the number is 7. So this is it for the range function. Now let us go inside and write the logic. So if number mod of I equal 0, and I think everyone knows this, right? This modulus operator or the percentage symbol is actually to find the remainder. So if this number is divisible by the loop variable I, which will keep on iterating from 2 till the number minus 1, and then the remainder will be 0, right? In that case, I will print with the help of formatted strings, and using a placeholder, I will write number is not a prime number. So people don't get confused here, because what I'm trying to do is this placeholder will actually refer to the number variable, and whatever data is stored inside it will be fetched here and will be printed here. So number will catch the number. Say it is 7, so it will say 7 is not a prime number, but actually 7 is a prime number. I'm just giving an example. So if it is 8, it will say 8 is not a prime number. So this is done. Now let us go to the else block and write the other part. So here what I will do is I will copy this, and here I will print number is a prime number. So this is done. Do you think so? Let us check if it is correct or not. So let me run it. Right click and then run. So it's asking me the number to be checked. So let me give say 6 and press enter. So you can see it's printing so many lines. 6 is not a prime number, 6 is not a prime number, and then again it is printing 6 is a prime number, 6 is a prime number. So this logic is not correct, right? It is printing the same thing again and again, and it is printing different things. So what we can do is, as soon as we find that the number is divisible by any other number, we are printing it is not a prime number, right? Then we can use the break statement so that we can break out of the loop, and we can end the program execution. After that, this else statement can be taken out, so that what will happen is it will become like a for else statement. So if this number is divisible by any other number than itself and 1, it will print it is not a prime number, and it will break. And if it is a prime number, then it will go to the else block and it will print number is a prime number. For example, 7 is a prime number. So now let us run this, and let me give a number, say 19, and press enter. You can see 19 is a prime number, so it's working perfectly. So now let me again take any other number. I'm running it again. Say let's take 2 and press enter. So you can see 2 is a prime number, so it is working perfectly. Let us take a number which is not a prime number. So I will run it again, and here let me take say 9. We all know that 9 is divisible by 3 and 9 and then 1. So it has 3 factors, more than 2 factors. So if I press enter, you can see 9 is not a prime number. So this code is working perfectly. So this is the code, guys. This is how you can check whether a number is prime or not with the help of a Python program. I hope you have understood the logic behind the program. If you have any doubts, you can post them in the comment section. I will be very happy to clarify all your doubts. And if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates. Thank you. Okay, then, this much for today. See you in the next section. Thank you. Happy learning.